Xingtao Photoelectricity is located in Yangtze River Delta Economic Zone of China, Xuancheng City, Anhui Province. The company focuses on the research and production of a series of high-end acrylic products, mainly producing the brand Xingtao Virgin Casting Acrylic Sheet. Anhui Xingtao has advanced production equipment and strong technical strength. Each piece is 100% MMA virgin materials. Taking imported British mold and the advanced production line and under precision data control of baking temperature. Xingtao focuses on the ultimate pursuit of every detail, and the product performance is in the advanced level compared with the similar products at home and abroad. Every innovative step of Xingtao is from the improvement and perfection towards high-end acrylic products.